Today is Thursday, April 16th. Our phonics assignment for today is pages 189 and 190. So please have your phonics page ready to go and grab a pencil and let's begin. For number 1, it says, write the word that best completes each sentence. And we have this word bank over here with these 3 words. I'm going to go ahead and mark the vowels over here so I know. This word is coat. This word is home. And this word is goat. All these words have the long O sound. Coat, home, goat. So, Jack had to run. Coat, home, or goat. Jack had to run home. So let's write the word home on the line here. Okay, next one. Nan has a red, we already used home, so does she have a red coat or goat? Probably a coat. What do you think? Bad C. Bad O. Ooh, maybe I'll get better with this mouse by the end of all this. Okay, Nan has a red coat, and that means that the only answer left is goat. So Jim rode on a goat. I don't know anyone who's ridden on a goat before, but now I've heard everything. Way to go, Jim. All right. For section 2, it says circle the special sounds, mark the vowels, and read the words. So the first one they've done for us, plus. The next word, it does not have any blends or digraphs. It has 2 vowels. The first says its name and the second is silent. K-ache. Only 1 vowel here, no special sounds. Help. Here I have the TR blend that says tr. I have an A followed by an I. The A says its name and the I is silent. A-O, trail. Here I have the CL that says cl, an E followed by a A. The E says its name, the A is silent. So I have cl-een. Coming down, I have the TR that says tr. A is going to say its name. I is silent. Tr-ain. Only 1 vowel in this word. No blends or digraphs. App. Here, there's that CL at the beginning that says cl. 1 vowel, smile, and then I also have the SP at the end. So I have cl-asp, clasp. SL blend, and then, whoopsie, a short A, sl-am. Here I have 1 vowel, it gets a smile, and then the ST that says st, ist, mist. Okay, 1 vowel, smile. I have the digraph TH that says th at the end, ath, math. Here, no blends or digraphs, but 2 vowels. The E says its name and the A is silent. L-eek. Here we have the digraph SH, sh, 2 E's. E says its name, sh, eat. Ooh, 2 E's again. And I have 2 D's here, d-e-d, deed. Here we have the GR, which says gr, and here I have that AY, so the Y kind of acts like a vowel, so I'm going to mark him out because he's acting like a I at the end here, and he makes the A say his name, gr-a. Here I have FL, the FL says fl, double E's, fl-e, 1 vowel here, no blends or digraphs, et. A, and then the digraph TH, which says th, so p-ath. Here I have 2 vowels. First one says its name, second is silent, j-o-ol, Joel. Then I have the PL blend and 1 vowel. The word is pl-a-n, plan. Okay, Flipping your page over and turning on to 190. At the top it says match the opposites, and they've given us an example. They have stop and go. Go. All right, so this next word is on, and I need to look at these words. Dry, she, and off. Well, I'm going to link it to off. On, off, those are my opposites. Wet, what's the opposite of wet? Dry. There's that Y at the end that makes the I sound. Wet and dry. And then finally, I have she and he. Both of these are sight words with that long E at the end of the word that doesn't really follow the rules, okay? So here it says, circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. Draw a line to the word that names the picture. Excuse me. So we have a picture of a chick, right? So let's go ahead. We know that at the beginning of chick, we have that CH digraph that says ch, ch. It's in both of these words, okay? So the beginning sound doesn't really give me much of a clue, okay? Then in the picture, I hear ch, ick. I know I'm listening for a short I sound. There's that short I. And then k at the end, another digraph, CK. So this one is my word. But let's go ahead and mark the vowels in the next picture. So I have CH at the beginning. I have double E's. The E is going to say its name. Ch, eek. This is not a cheek, it's a chick. All right. So here I have a picture of a brush. Sh. All right. Both of my words start with the correct blend. They both begin with the BR that says bruh. This one has an A followed by an I. So I know the A says its name. Ain. That's not a brain. Okay, one vowel here. It says short sound and then that digraph SH at the end. So sh. Brush. That's exactly what I have. All right. Coming down here, I have smoke. See the arrow pointing to the smoke? It's not fire, it's smoke. So smoke starts with that SM sound. Both of my words have the correct blend at the beginning. They have that SM blend that says sm. Two consonants that both make their sound, but they still kind of go together. Okay, this first one has an I consonant and that magic E that makes the I say its name. Smile. Smile. That's not a smile. So let's check out this one again. Magic E. There's the vowel, consonant, and the magic E. The E makes the O say its name. Oak. Smoke. This is what I'm looking for. Smoke. Okay. Now, over here, this is our sound that we talked about last week, this O. W, and we know that OW can say ow or it can say O. Okay, so this first one could be bow or it could be bow, and they're both spelled the same way, and we don't really know which one they want, but I know this isn't a picture of a bow and it's not somebody taking a bow, so it's not going to be the right thing. And I'm going to mark this just by kind of putting a box around this, because this is one of our diphthongs that we've just learned and they're totally different. Okay, so I'm going to box up the OW, and then here I'm going to circle the SN blend. Sn, O, and that's what I've got here. Snow. Okay, at the bottom it says match the rhyming words. Well, we know rhyming words have the same ending sound, so here we have meat, and it rhymes with seat. See how they both end in the E-A-T, E-A-T. All right, the next word, op. I'm looking for a word that has a op sound at the end. Well, this word here has the OP at the end as well, and it is pop. Pop, stop. Now I have a lid. I need to look for a word that has that ID ending. Lid. Well, here I have bid. Lid, bid. They have the same sound at the end. And last I have joke, and it goes with poke. All right, good work, guys. Finish up your work. Give yourself a sticker at the top, and you can put that away.